Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and the cryptocurrency technical analysis. Today's today's Ethereum technical analysis YouTube video. So we're gonna be talking about the complete overview of the Ethereum price since the last time I updated this overview right here. So at the moment, in this video, I'm gonna discuss what prices, support, resistance levels, what I'm expecting using technical analysis, my opinion, and the Shemitah for the Ethereum price for this year and potentially next year also at the same time. So I'm gonna show you what to realistically expect for this Ethereum price right now. So first of all, guys, we're gonna start with this huge support level, this yellow line right here. This was a massive support, which I said the last time I covered Ethereum, it was around here or both. And so I mentioned that if the Ethereum price lost this massive yellow support, then expect for the Ethereum price to just have a massive dumpage to the downside. And it happened exactly as I mentioned, but I didn't mention how low was it going to be. Yes, I did. Wait. I'm gonna see something here. I'm gonna put in the log scale because sometimes these patterns, when I draw them, some are in log scale, some are in linear scale. It will depend and look at that, exactly there. So I mentioned here, guys, where if the Ethereum price was following this support, double resistance there, and then support here, and the price target for this Ethereum price is measured by the following. So I just remember. So this pattern I didn't draw before. So this was updated in the most recent things I was doing during this day. So yeah, this wasn't before this, like this target right here. So but this yellow line was updated there. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys here on the linear scale the Ethereum price right here. So you can see here that I said to you guys that this was this was a trading opportunity right here. So I said here, guys, expect for the Ethereum price as soon as it loses this support to retest this target around this $1,634 for the Ethereum price because of this bearish flag, which I drew the conservative targets. I didn't put the full one, but I put the very conservative one just in case. It met the target. It was around, let's see, a 11% from here to here. It then faked out kind of, and then eventually completed that target right there. So yeah, that was a trading opportunity which gained a 11% gain. So congratulations, guys, if you traded that using my trading opportunities. This was around this time frame, around May, at the start of June. And right here, guys, the Ethereum price was forming like this kind of inverse head and shoulders, but it wasn't because of the wick. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna delete that because I'm gonna put this as most updated. And if it broke to the bull side, then it was going to be around the $2,280 level right there. So in just a second here, I'm gonna delete this right there and there. So what happened here was this was a bearish flag. You can see here that this was it was a very volatile flag because of the Bitcoin price. Let's see right here. This happened because of the Bitcoin price just heading down to the downside very harshly. The closest to this bear flag will be like something like this, but this wasn't clear, so that's why I didn't make that that call right there. But I made it with the Bitcoin price. I did that. So here will be something like this and there, and look at that. This will be the bear flag because it played out like a bear flag. It was a very volatile one because of the Bitcoin price, but it ended up to the exact price target to around $903 level right there. Beautiful move right there. That was around 53% move. Like I mentioned, guys, I didn't mention you guys this one because this one is just It wasn't clear at that time, but we had clear. The Bitcoin price was clear back then, and we made that very, very good trading opportunity. That move from 30,000 to 18,000 to $20,000. I called that move, and boom, very beautiful. So right now, guys, from what I'm seeing here at the Ethereum price, since this Fibonacci retracement got broken, I'm gonna put this 1618 Fibonacci retracement because let's see here. Okay, no, that wasn't okay. So I'm gonna delete this Fibonacci bearish Fibonacci retracement, which is from the swing low to the swing high right here. It's from around here to here. So I'm gonna delete that there. This was the pattern also which was following for the Ethereum price right there. So as you can see, guys, this was supposed to hold. I remember saying that this was supposed to hold as support around this $1,295 and around this $1,545. And wow, it didn't hold. That's interesting because usually when you have that strong support, you at least have some support and then continue but since the Bitcoin price kept dumping, this is what happened. So in other words, when you're trading Ethereum or other altcoins, you have to also include the Bitcoin technical analysis and also the individual altcoin technical analysis, both at the same time, because if the altcoin is going to the downside or to the upside based on a pattern and depending on the move, and if the Bitcoin price, for example, if you're looking for a bearish retracement for that altcoin, that the Bitcoin price starts pumping, then that altcoin pair will not most likely move, or it will slowly go up. So when you're trading altcoins, you have to have both analysis at the same time. So that's why it's not that easy to trade altcoins. But right here, you can see that this both support lines didn't hold support, which is very weird. But that's what happens when you have the Bitcoin prices going down like that, which I told you guys before. So so which patterns are in play right now? So right now, guys, I'm gonna show you guys in the log scale what I'm seeing here, and you can see here, guys, that as soon as this yellow support got broken, it made a perfect retest as resistance. You can see right here, this yellow line, wick, support, lost it, tried to regain it, a little back test, but the next body candle close, boom, went down here, retest because of this white line right there, and made a perfect, wow, resistance there, and then boom, because of the Bitcoin price right here. And you saw here that this support was also holding around these ranges right here and here 4 times, but the more you test a support resistance, the more likely it is for it to be broken, usually to the side which it gets a lot of retests. That can be support resistance or both. So right here, that's what I'm seeing right here. Let's see here. Right now, this price target is measured like this. This is a bearish price target for the Ethereum price. Right now, looking at this bearish breakout like this, look at this. Just a sec, I'm gonna make it exact. And there. So this is the potential price target for the Ethereum price. You saw this like kind of a descending wedge right here. You see right there, you have the support, the resistance, you got the support there, you got the resistance there, got the support again, the support again, the support again, support again. But eventually, if it doesn't bounce, it will break support. Most likely it will break support. So right now, this has a bearish price target, because where do I get that bearish price target? So that bearish price target is measured like this. So you put from this top of the resistance to this bottom of the support to this resistance, and you put it like this. See, Okay. Also, okay, wait, something there. So this is the bearish case in the log scale for the Ethereum price. So you can see that this move has been completed. I can say that it has been completed, most of the movement, because even if it doesn't go to the exact point, it can sometimes overshoot or sometimes go reach before that exact price target. So you can expect when you see a bearish target like this using the patterns, usually when you're trading, you like to take profits before the target. Like the target is around $840. Usually you want to take profits before that, around this, at least to this $880 range. And I can say that this move has been completely executed. So this bearish move has been made very complete. It has been a completed bearish price target met on the log scale. But if we go to the linear scale right here, then the price target is lower here, which is here, and here, and there. If you put it like this, oh wait, no, this will not count for the linear scale, only for the log scale, because this would take Ethereum to negative 542. So no, this is not a valid thing right now. So for the linear scale, but in the log scale, that's what we're seeing here. Usually in the log scale on long term, that's a very good place where you can anticipate the moves right there. And also, guys, I want to show you guys something here. So you see here for the Ethereum price that the Ethereum price broke this resistance, retested it, and went high right here. So there, let's see here. So right now, immediate support for the Ethereum price will be here. I'm gonna show you guys. Wait a second, I'm gonna draw that again, just a second. Would be there. That will be strong support. Another strong support will be, let's see here, there. So right now, guys, this move for the Ethereum price was very rapid. And usually when you're going too parabolic too quickly without building the foundation, what is a foundation? Like this, having enough time trading around those levels, not going like this. Usually two things happen. So if you go parabolic like this, eventually you're gonna retest those levels to build that foundation, or you're gonna build that foundation before you went higher. So in this case, this was the foundation wasn't built around these levels. It was built around here. You see right here, this trading range, this was built, but not around here, like this. So this would be a trading range that will most likely be the new foundation. So yes, guys, I am expecting for the Ethereum price to go retest at least to these levels around here, from $500 to $840. Like, this is not the bottom. I will say that right now. This is not the bottom at the moment. So if the Ethereum price closes a weekly body candle close below this $832 level, then expect for the Ethereum price to go to this price target around here, around this next, let's see here, support, which will be here around the $680 level. But I also want to pull the Fibonacci retracement, the bearish Fibonacci, not the bearish, the bearish Fib retracement. Just a second here, will be from here to here. I believe that the bottom for the Ethereum price will most likely be very close to these levels, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, just a second. there. Okay, so as you can see right here, guys, this yellow Fibonacci retracements are no jokes. Those are very strong support levels almost every single time when you pull them. So you had this 0.618 Fibonacci around this support, $1,917 level, and this 0.65 Fibonacci retracement around this $1,763 level. And you can see that immediately after the big Ethereum price made that move to the upside, it retested this Fibonacci retracement and it held support for a long time. I will not say a long time, but I would say it was clear that it was holding support. You can see here this yellow line, it was staying above this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement around here. You see that wick came back, and eventually, as soon as that daily body candle closed in the bearish side for the Ethereum price for the second time here, it just went down and exactly at that support level around that yellow line. So that's what happened right there. Also, that's another reason. Let's see here, and you can see that Ethereum price is trying to hold this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement on this $1,109 level right there. And you see the wicks, right there. It's trying to be perfect. It retested that perfectly. It's losing support right here. So the lowest I see the Ethereum price going would be around here. I'm gonna show you guys. So the lowest would be around this $500 level, around this $496 level. That would be the lowest I see the Ethereum price going. Just because this, you see this range, this has been very strong. This is the foundation. So this has enough in consolidation for this price targets to not be retested ever again. But when you have Shemitah, things can change. Even with the most likely, even when the scenario is not the most likely, because those are external factors. What is the Shemitah? I already talked about that before. 7-year cycle, bearish side every 7 years, almost every 7 years for more than 100 and 200 years. So yeah, in summary, that's how it works. Usually at this fib pole, this 0.888 Fibonacci retracements usually signals the bottom when looking at the long time frames at the Ethereum, looking at the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. Usually, if this 0.888 Fibonacci retracement doesn't hold as support, then you can expect more continuation to the downside. But usually, this is the bottoms around here. And if you look at the simple moving averages in the daily time frame, all of them are bearish right now. And let's see right here. So you can see here that the foundation has been established at this range, all the way to this price levels around this $365 level, all the way up to this $496 level. But this range hasn't been traded on. This is what I believe the Ethereum price will be doing. Not doing that exactly, but expecting for it to build trading range around those levels, because that's how it works. It's just, you can see right here, trading foundation, boom, and then boom, retest to these levels right here, and then keep going higher. But you need that foundation before you can keep going higher. And if you keep going higher without the foundation, then expect then the most likely scenario is very soon you will see a pullback eventually to fill those trading ranges. So yeah, the trading ranges will be around this so guys, the trading ranges would be most likely filled from this $496 level to this $1,112 level. Those will be the trading ranges, which has to have trading range before we can go higher. And yeah, guys, so those will be very support levels, very strong support levels around this. This scenario, this 500 is the most likely, not the most likely scenario at the moment, but yes, this $618 level is the most likely scenario at the moment. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing right now at the Ethereum price. In summary, if a weekly body candle closes below this range around this $1,109 level, then expect continuation to the downside. A weekly body candle close, not a daily, a weekly body candle close, and eventually retest this $833 level again, because also this wick, this is a huge wick that is also most likely going to get retested. When the Ethereum price bottoms, you don't see huge wicks like that. You can see that the bottom for the Ethereum price, let's see, it was here. You see that body candle close filled. You don't see huge wicks. This one, and then retest body candle close covering most of that wick, and then signaling the bottom. And here, looking at this wick, this is not a wick which signals a bottom. We have volume right here, but still, this is still a huge wick compared to the usual wicks of the bottoms for the Ethereum price and also the Bitcoin price. So this will definitely get retested, and also because of the Bitcoin price has a huge wick, so that's going to get retested eventually. Even if I don't have a pattern right now on play, that's going to get retested eventually. And so yeah, guys, support 800, very strong support around $831 level. Why? This range, this top right here, this is the support. Here, the next very strong support will be, if that $832 level doesn't hold, will be around here, around this $680 level. But remember, guys, if the Bitcoin price keeps going down, then those support levels are not going to hold, okay? And that's the truth. That's why you have to take both into consideration. But in summary, right now, that's what I'm seeing right now for the Ethereum price. Let's see if there's another pattern just in case. Oh, wait, guys. Wait a second. I think this is a head and shoulders for the Ethereum price. Let's see. It will be something like this. Ooh, wait. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna hide this Fibonacci retracements just a second so I can show you something here. Oh yeah, I remember this. So okay. So you're seeing here, I'm gonna go to the weekly time frame so you can see. Look at this, guys. This is a head and shoulders playing out right now. You have this left shoulder, right head, and right shoulder, and boom. And the neckline is the interesting part. I'm gonna verify which will be the closest or the exact one. So it will be, let's see, using the wicks right here. This will be this is a huge head and shoulders. Look at this, boom, boom, and boom. And then you have this. And then this will be the neckline around this wicks you see right here. This wicks, this will be the neckline. So I'm gonna draw it here. I'm gonna put it there. Wait a second here. Okay. There. That will be the neckline, and you can see wick and wick. So this is the neckline. You see those wicks, perfect wicks to that support level. You got through You got 3 wicks over here, another 3 wicks around here, and then boom. And you can see the volume. So this is valid right now. So this price target will be here. Wow, that's insane. Wow. Now that's very drastic, but that's how it works, especially when you have Shemitah. So the price target for this huge head and shoulders at the weekly time frame, ooh, that would be around here, around this $618 level. It adds confluence to those levels, and also you have no trading range, so it makes sense for this Ethereum price to go to that price target. That makes sense. Exactly as I was mentioning, it makes a lot of sense. And here, this didn't get retested as support, and eventually it did. You see, boom. It's very close. It will eventually go there to the exact dollar right there. And also, this is going to be retested also. This broke out without retesting and just keep going higher. This right here was, let's see here. I put that line over there because of a daily time frame range right there. And boom, as you can see right there. Oh, look at that. Huge wick. Weekly time frame. Around that $883. No, that's definitely going to get retested. Definitely. You can see here in the weekly time frame, this is the bottom, and it didn't leave a huge wick. It did right there. It did right there leave a huge wick, but eventually the body kind of closed most of that wick, and then that signaled the bottom. This huge wick doesn't count because it was the C word narrative. That was a black swan event. Black swan events, you can consider them as non-related to the actual charts when it happens. Yes, you will see downside, but it doesn't necessarily have to retest those levels as compared to it as it did compared to this range, because this was most of that I can say was natural in that sense. It wasn't a black swan event. So yes, these head and shoulders would take the Ethereum price. These head and shoulders would take the Ethereum price to this level, around this $622 level, and that's a trading opportunity which already is in play. And that will be from here, from right now that I'm recording to here. I'm gonna show you how much of a percentage move that would be. Let's see here. That would be another 40% to the downside. It would make a lot of sense because it's just, remember guys, Shemitah time, and not any ordinary Shemitah. It's a super Shemitah. I already mentioned this before. You can look out on my YouTube channel what I'm anticipating for this year to next year, using evidence which most people don't know. Usually this is information that millionaires and billionaires follow, and the market makers and the Federal Reserve, because that's how it was designed. I go into very detailed and profound evidence of how that works, so you can check out the market crash I'm anticipating in my YouTube channel, Cryptocurrencies. The video title is why the stock market crash is going to happen this year. So yeah, that's the title. So yeah, guys, it will also make a lot of sense because this cryptocurrency market has to eliminate a lot of cryptocurrencies right now. It's very similar to the dot-com bubble, and if the Ethereum price goes to this $622 level, that will just destroy a lot of altcoins, most of them, and there's around more than 20,000 altcoins. There's more than 20,000 cryptocurrencies, and I can say less than 500 of them are worth it to some degree, or very, very worth it. Slash worthy slash very worthy related. So yeah, guys, this will make a lot of sense to eliminate those cryptocurrencies which doesn't serve a purpose for the actual next agenda for the world economic system. So that a lot of sense. So yeah, guys, that's the move. This is what the charts are saying. This is not my opinion, and eventually that's how it works. That's how it works. You see the pattern right here, you see it right there. This was the neckline, this was a W pattern, and boom, you can have it like this, and eventually the price, it met the target right there, and boom, you see here, straight up like this, met the target, pulled back and went higher because of that extra euphoria stage. So yeah, these patterns are no joke, guys. So yeah, having the Shemitah and what I'm seeing here, this is going to happen, most likely going to happen with a highs likely scenario. So the worst case scenario will be here around $496 for the Ethereum price at the moment, using the patterns. What I have confirmed at the moment will be a downside target to around $622. Yeah, guys, and don't get surprised, guys. Don't get surprised. This will be one of the best buying opportunities before this Ethereum price just goes even higher in the future. So this will be a very good buying the dip opportunity, and I'm very happy right now. And anyways, and when that happens, I'm gonna be happy and anyway. So I'm gonna buy that dip and just hold that, because you don't have to wait 20 to 40 years to see gains like the typical traditional market. In this cryptocurrency market, you can just accelerate that very, very drastically by just holding on to that volatility in the daily time frames, because in the long term, what you see is higher highs, higher lows. So there's no point to go into the daily time frame and depend your whole decision in the future of the cryptocurrency market in just the daily time frame in the like 1 to 2 weeks. You have to look at the long term. That's what most people don't do, because they don't look at the charts. And that's why I'm showing you guys how to not do what most people do, which is lose money. This is what the true millionaires and billionaires do to get wealthy. And yes, you have to know it before you do it. So even if you're not a billionaire, you have to know it before you do it, because it doesn't make sense to just say, oh wait, you have to be a billionaire to know what you're doing. No, you can know exactly what the billionaire is looking at if you truly study the patterns and what truly distinguishes a billionaire before it happens. You have to be it before it happens. So this is the type of information that will give you that leverage and help you in the economic sense. So this is what I'm seeing right now in the Ethereum price, guys. In summary, worst target, even if this will include the financial markets, S&P 500, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, the tech sector. This will include the worst kinds of events for this whole year. The worst I see Ethereum price going will be around this. Let's see here. The worst will be here around this $367 range to this $495 range. That is not the most likely scenario, because right now there's no pattern to determine that. But remember, guys, in patterns, when you have these price targets, it can go lower sometimes because of that extra fear, or sometimes in the bullish side because of that extra euphoria. So don't expect this to be the exact bottom and then just go like this. It would make sense if it does, but realistically, expect a range. Which range? Before the target and after the target. That range, you can expect that to happen around $580 and $740. Okay, the bottom can be around here, it can be right here, and it can be around here. That's how the targets work. But usually in the long time frames, usually they go to the exact price target, maybe a little bit lower, and then recover. And sometimes it can be exact, sometimes it can be before the target. So that's why I'm saying it's a range. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing right now in the Ethereum price. Immediate support will be around this it will be this week around this $881 level for Ethereum price. If that wick doesn't hold, if that support doesn't hold, expect for the Ethereum price to go to this $831 level. And if that support doesn't hold, expect for the Ethereum price to go to this $680 level. And if that support doesn't hold, then expect for the Ethereum price to go to this $496 level. And if that doesn't hold, expect for the Ethereum price to go to this 380. Expect for the Ethereum price to go to this $364 level. But right now, what I'm anticipating using the head and shoulders will be this target. I'm expecting $621 level. That's the most likely scenario right now. This very low targets, I would say right now it's not the most likely scenario, but it can happen. That's why you want to be prepared before it happens. But personally, I will not wait for the Ethereum price to go to this level. So I'm buying right now, and I will continue buying right here. Dollar cost average, and yeah, guys, that's how it works. So this is the complete overview of what I'm seeing right now in the Ethereum price. Looking at this, so thank you so much, guys, for watching this YouTube video, guys. If you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also click the bell notification to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my technical analysis YouTube videos around different cryptocurrencies I do. You can comment below the altcoin you want me to have you want me to give you a complete overview or a realistic overview. And also, guys, most of the cryptocurrencies are going to zero, but Ethereum is not one of them, Bitcoin is not one of them, Chainlink is not one of them, XRP is not one of them, XLM is not one of them. I would say less than 500 or less than 400 cryptocurrencies will stay by then when this huge crash happens. So yeah, guys, and also if you know people that are learning about cryptocurrency and want a realistic and a very good way, and also wants a clear way of seeing the cryptocurrency market, you can recommend my YouTube channel, my YouTube videos. I enjoy sharing this knowledge with you guys, and because I want to help people with knowledge using this cryptocurrency knowledge and the financial markets. There's a lot of things, but in summary, I would really appreciate it if you can share this YouTube video with your friends. Also, guys, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets. And thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.